Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Apache Tomcat 8.5 in Manjaro Linux 17.1 using Oracle JDK 1.8, which is already installed. Before I start the installation, I give my basic information about the system. So OS version is Manjaro Linux 17.1 with the kernel 4.14. Here you can see that JDK 1.8 is already installed. So I am going to check now whether it is enabled in my profile. So in my profile, I am going to add the Oracle JDK 1.8 installation path. So assign to the variable java_home. Now I am going to extract Apache Tomcat 8.5, which is already downloaded from apache.org. So I am going to extract the Tomcat 8.5 to my home folder. Extraction was successful, and now let us navigate to Tomcat 8.5 folder structure. So this is the directory structure of the Apache Tomcat 8.5. So now I am going to the bin folder. Bin directory consists of lot of shell scripts. Here I am going to edit catalina.sh shell script. So at the very first line, I am going to add the environment variable java_home pointing to Oracle JDK 1.8 installation path. Save the catalina.sh file. Now I am going to start the Apache Tomcat 8.5. So copy the directory or either go to the directory in terminal, bin directory of Tomcat 8.5. So I am going to the bin directory of the Tomcat 8.5. Before that, I am checking Java is working fine or not. So now I went to bin directory of Tomcat 8.5. I am going to execute startup.sh shell script, which will start the Tomcat. Here you can see the Tomcat is started now, which is using JDK 1.8 as Java runtime. So ps-ef grub java command will shows you whether the Tomcat process is running or not. ps-ef grub tomcat. This command also will show that Tomcat process is running or not. So these are the steps to ensure that Tomcat is up and running. So now we are going to check the log file of Tomcat. So catalina.out is the log file of Tomcat in logs folder. So I am tailing the catalina.out now. Here you can see that Tomcat is running successfully in port HTTP port 8080. So now I am going to access the Tomcat console page in browser. So localhost :8080 will give you the Tomcat 8.5 console page. Good. Now Tomcat is up and running. So I am going to access the server status, manager application, and host manager. Oops, it's asking for credentials. So I'm unauthorized. So to view the manager and virtual host manager, I have to configure the roles in tomcat-users.xml. So I am going to edit tomcat-users.xml in conf folder of conf folder of Tomcat. So I uncomment the last section in the tomcat-users.xml. So here you can see role names are user are already there. So I am going to assign two roles, manager guy and admin guy, to the user Tomcat. So and the password for the user Tomcat will be also the same as username. So and roles I am assigning manager guy and admin guy. So which will enable me to enables the or authorized to view the management applications. So save the tomcat users.xml file. So now I am going to restart the Apache Tomcat 8.5 in order to make changes effect. So now I am going to shut down the Tomcat. Again I am going to bin directory. Shutdown.sh will stop the Tomcat process. So I am checking by using the ps-ef grep command. So now I'm again going to start by startup.sh shell script. So Tomcat is started. So again I'm going to visit the Tomcat console and ensure that I can access the server status manager applications by giving the username password configured in tomcat-users.xml. So now you can see the server status page. So these are all the environmental settings available for Tomcat 8.5. So manager applications I can be able to view. So web application manager is the application list the binaries deployed in Tomcat. So virtual host manager also I can able to view the page. So now Tomcat 8.5 installation is successful in Manjaro Linux 17.1, and now I am going to execute the JSP and Servlet examples, which is already bundled in Tomcat 8.5. Execution of this JSP and Servlet examples ensures that Tomcat is running fine. Alright guys, subscribe our YouTube channel Java FRM and share it to your friends. Goodbye.